always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what they're doing.
Oh, hi. We're all looking for wiggle bugs.
Hedgehog, you just used the letter of the day.
Goody. What is it?
The letter W. W makes the sound W in Wigglebugs. Listen. W, W, Wigglebugs.
What? Wiggle bug.
Now you try.
What? Wiggle bugs.
Wonderful!
I don't see one anywhere. Do you see a wiggle bug? You do? Where is it? Behind you. Over here? No, behind you. Here? Look down. Oh, there you are. Wow!
Wow begins with the letter of the day, too.
It does?
Sound it out.
Ow. Wow! You're right, Mr. Goose.
Now you try.
Ow. Wow!
Well done.
Hold on, Hedgehog. I'll take your picture together. Thank you, Fox.
Here are more things that begin with W.
Window. Window. Watch. Watch. Worm. Worm. Watermelon. Watermelon.
letter do all these words start with?
W!
That's right, the letter W.
Hey everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
M!
What's this letter?
N!
What's this letter?
W!
What's this letter?
Z!
Now let's do it fast.
M! N! W! Z! N! W! Z! M! Z! N! M! W! M! W! N! Z!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter B! Letter Safari! Let's find some beginning letter sounds. Ooh, look! Flowers! Listen. Flowers. Flowers. Do you hear that? Flowers begins with F. Flowers. Let's find more beginning letters. I see a butterfly. Listen. Butterfly. Butterfly. What letter makes the beginning sound in butterfly? B! That's right. Butterfly. A rainbow. Listen. Rainbow. Rainbow. What letter do you hear? R! Right. Look, there's a wiggle bug. Listen. Wiggle bug. Wiggle bug. What letter do you hear? W! Wowie! Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Flowers. What's that letter? F! Butterfly. What's that letter? B! Rainbow. What's that letter? R! Wiggle bug. What's that letter? W! Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. F! B! R! W! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Small Bird's Big Adventure Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. Small Bird's Big Adventure. Written by Nick Mulgrew. Illustrated by Wesley Van Eden. Designed by Jennifer Jacobs. Small Bird was a small bird. He was very small and very birdy. Small Bird lived in a beautiful house with the giant. Small Bird loved the giant very much. She was a kind giant. She gave Small Bird lots of toys. Small Bird was sad when the giant wasn't around, so one day Small Bird went to find the giant. Small Bird flew up and up until he could see the whole world. He wanted to find the giant. Where would he land? Small Bird landed in a huge forest filled with trees and flowers and treasure. Small Bird loved playing with the shiny jewels. But where was the giant? Small Bird walked into a vast field of snow. The snow was white and soft. Small Bird loved rolling around on the cool ground. But where was the giant? This time, Small Bird flew even higher into the sky. He flew among the stars and galaxies. He saw the moon. He saw a comet. But where was the giant? From way up high, with his sharp, birdie eyes, Small Bird saw something. What could it be? Small Bird dived down, down, down. Where would he land? Small Bird landed right in the giant's hands. He was so happy to see her. "I love you, giant," he shrieked. The giant held Small Bird close to her. "I love you too," the giant said. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Today's song is about a dog called Bingo. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me, okay? There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. Now, you'll all sing along with me, but this time we'll replace the first letter of Bingo's name with a hand clap.
I don't understand.
That's okay. Just follow along. Everybody sing. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
That was fun.
Good. Now replace the first two letters with hand claps. Everybody sing. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. Now, 3 hand claps. Here we go. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, splendid. Let's do 4 hand claps. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, last verse. Everybody sing and clap. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh,
and Bingo was his name, oh.
You did it!
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the purple triangles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is purple.
That's a square. We only want purple triangles.
Oh, right. I forgot. There's one.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the purple stars.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for purple squares now, Ms. Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. 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 And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 red shapes.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. No more shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could use 2 triangles to make a bow tie. Look.
Oh, Monkey, you look very fancy.
Hi, Fox. What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Ooh, patterns? Goody! What are patterns? They're designs that repeat. Look! Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star. What comes next? I'm not sure. A heart. Let's say the names of the shapes together. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Star, heart. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Star, heart. Right. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same shapes. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star. What comes next? Heart! You got it! Let's say it together. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. Heart, star, heart. What's the pattern? Heart, star, heart. That's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. My pattern is going to use shapes and colors. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star. Do you know what comes next? A green heart. That's it! All together! Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. green heart, pink star, green heart. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. Green heart, pink star, green heart. All done! Do you want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends. See you later, too. Whee! Oh, hi! Let's play together and monkey around. Whoa! Goodbye, friend. I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. La, la, lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly sing. La, la, lullaby. La, la, lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly sing. La,